What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kelsey. You already know who it is, and today I am back with another video, y'all. As you can see by the title, it is about how to achieve clear skin cheapest way as possible. At least it's been working for me. Hey, this is one of my most requested videos. No, I'm lying, but ain't nobody requested this. But in real life, people do really ask me, how do I get clear skin now? I did a previous video over a product which I really do love, and I do use, not every day though. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't use it every day. But anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I use. I mean, cheap, on a budget. Let me see, you probably gonna spend about $20. $20 for these products. I use 3 products, but the main thing, and see, people don't like to hear this, but it's true. You're gonna have to drink a lot of water. You're gonna have to drink water. Water really helps. And I get it, some people just have acne prone skin, and some people just need a little extra help and have to go to the doctor and get medications. But for people who can clear it up and they just having like a few breakouts or, you know, minor breakouts, it can be fixed right at home. Let's get right to it. So there are 3 things that I use. Now it all really depends, but for the most part I've been using 3 things. Anyway, so the first product that I like to use is this face wash. Now listen, you know, I'm pretty sure you all know about St. Ives, right? Well, this right here is that good compared to, and it really works. Okay, they have 2 of them. They have this one, and hold on, oh Lord, this had water all on it. Anyways, this one, which isn't the compare to, but they have the real one that's like this. The apricot scrub is a little bit more harsh. The orange and pink lemon scrub is much softer, and the orange one I use probably once a week. This one every day. And for the next product, aloe vera gel, y'all. Okay, let me just tell you how I got into using some skin. So basically, I'm going to get a bikini, a Brazilian wax. That's what it is, a Brazilian wax. And I was trying to figure out what I need to make sure everything stays smooth and pretty down there, okay? This is recommended. I keep making those sound effects. But anyway, this was recommended. So if this is good for the skin and it helps keep it moisturized and pretty, this right here as well on your face, it keeps it smooth. Now when you use this, it does leave kind of tight feeling, but then that's when you go in with a moisturizer. You see what I'm saying? Which leads me to my 3rd product, y'all, and I have been faithful to this, and this is the Garnier, is that how you say it? Skincare, no, SkinActive Glow Boosting Illuminating Moisturizer. Oh my God, this right here, it really does illuminate. If you don't wear makeup, if you wear makeup, if you don't wear makeup, put this on, your skin looks just like you just got a facial, like no lie. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. And if you do wear makeup, put this on before your makeup, and girl, your makeup is gonna be on point. And I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna try to cut this video short so it don't be so long, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing rolling. I'm gonna show you my skincare, show you how I wash my face, put my aloe vera gel on this, and I'm gonna do a quick natural face. Okay, love you, stay tuned. Okay, so y'all see how my skin just glows with that? Like it just looks good. It just does. But anyway, so I'm trying to make this really quick and just show y'all a cute little basic natural skincare routine. Since my skin has been getting better, I really haven't even been wearing makeup like that. But anyways, so I've been trying to make my eyebrows grow out. Like I ain't even been doing my eyebrows, y'all. Like, and when I do my eyebrows, I'll be scared to do them. And believe it or not, despite me knowing how to do makeup, all I really do when I'm doing it, if somebody don't come with their makeup done, I literally just clean it up. That's it. I don't try to really alter too much. I just try to clean it up. Like, the pencil that I've been using is this NYX pencil. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna just put some on my eyelid to cancel out some of that darkness because I'm not putting on no eyeshadow. This is just my new everyday whenever I do wear makeup look. Like I don't know, like I just haven't been feeling it. Like makeup really, if you don't be careful, and this especially to my younger girls, whoever is watching this, like for real, if you don't be careful wearing makeup every day, you will start to forget who you are, what you look like. And when you don't wear it, you'll feel ugly. You want to appreciate the natural beauty that God blessed you with, okay? Because it happened to me, and it can happen to anybody. Trust me. Trust me. So now, I already put the moisturizer on my face. I really don't need no primer, but if you want to use primer, you can use primer. I want to try to minimize the amount of products that I put on my face. My makeup lasts anyway because I'm using liquid and then I use powder. So yes, let's get to that. I'm thinking I'm gonna just mix this this 750 and the 760 like I was telling you. So that's the 750, and then come on, that's what I'm talking about. 750, girl. That's the 360. That's the 355. It's early. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It's really early. All right. Well, I hope this come out right. Okay. Just looking real good. Now let me tune out this Ninja Turtle mask at the top. Let your girl work her magic. She got the magic stick. This really is a magic stick. This is the original magic stick. But what 50 talking about? You feel me? It's somewhat matches, right? But it's okay, because even if it don't, I'm about to make it look like it do. Okay. Next, even for people that don't do makeup, I'm pretty sure y'all know what the next step is. And I'm going to use a concealer. Girl, I'm squeezing the heck. I'm squeezing the heck out this bottle. Now, just so y'all know, I think y'all probably know if you really have been watching my videos, I don't use, I normally just highlight under my eyes, but for this video today, I am going to actually do my nose. Come on now, I don't need to look like I got a deviated septum, okay? But anyway, yeah, so not too much. Same foundation brush. It like really, look how that's already airbrushing out. Look. Okay, let me stop. Okay. For the rest, the same brush that I use to blend out my eyebrows, it's a smaller brush. I'm going to use this. Lord, I look like a ghost. Trust me, it's all gonna come into form. It's gonna come into form, okay? I'm gonna take my Airspun. Ooh, Lord, I'm getting this mess everywhere. And I'm just gonna use that to set under my eyes. Next, I'm going to use this Crayon case, contoursition notebook palette, and I'm going to take that color Bobby, and I'm going to contour with this. You know what? I just realized, I'm pretty sure this whole time, y'all been hearing that, I want to cuss, that messed up toilet. I've been on call maintenance, y'all. I called maintenance like a week ago, okay? And they still haven't came. I'm on their ass, trust me, I am. Hopefully it didn't bother you too bad. Hopefully it ain't ran people off. Damn. I got that going. Doesn't look good, natural. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use Trophy from her palette, and I'm going to use that to highlight, because her highlight is the bottom, okay? Where is my eyeliner, fam? Where is my liner? Okay, Okay, y'all, this is my favorite. This NYX matte liner. It is off the chain. I'm gonna use these. These are so freaking cute, guys. Like, I don't know, can you see it from the side? Look how fluffy they is. Anyway, I'm about to put these on. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do to complete this look, I'm gonna go back in with this Trophy by Crayon case. Ooh, don't nobody drag me. Don't drag me, okay? And then to top it all off, like you New Yorkers say, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Now this right here, hopefully I got some of this right here because it's like almost all gone, but y'all, this right here is about to set it off. Oh, glory. God, you know, I'm mocking you, God, but you know. Woo! Okay, I could fix my bun, but you know, I'm not gonna do that because I still got stuff to do, but I am going to go to my baby's game today and my makeup will be done, so I'm excited about that. So anyways, this is just me getting ready in the morning. Sorry if it was too long. You just, you know, want to talk to you guys, not fast forward through too much. I'm gonna try to shorten it as much as I can without taking out too much. But anyways, you guys, so yeah, let me see if I can get a good, hold on. Whoa. Okay, yes. But anyway, as you can see, yeah, it's really, really pretty. Pop in. Let me see if I can get the thumbnail. Y'all, disregard the background right there. Disregard the background right there. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And as you can see, I'm telling y'all, once you get your skin together, I promise you, your foundation, your makeup will be really nice. Look at that. Yes, honey. Yes. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for bearing with me. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment. Look, I say subscribe because I'm not even really used to saying that. You know, I mean, if people gonna subscribe, they're gonna subscribe to your channel regardless. But if you do have any ideas, though, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. If I can think of anything that I may have missed. Oh, because I know y'all gonna want to know again, or somebody that's not gonna watch the whole video, they're gonna be like, what did she use? So I'm still gonna link everything in the description box, all the way from the skincare products. Look, y'all, I'm scratching my face because I'm telling y'all I haven't been wearing makeup in a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna link, not link, what am I trying to say? Okay, I'm gonna put down the facial products that I use, all the makeup products that I use, and yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you might want to see in the future, please leave them in the comment box below. And until next time, you already know your girl Kelsey, she loves you.